everyone. In our last video lecture, we started with the 9th lesson, that is air around us. Today we are going to continue with the same lesson. So in the last lecture, we learned that air is present everywhere. We can't see this air with our naked eyes, but we can feel it. Yes, and air has many constituents in it. That is, air has various gases in it. Air has dust particles in it. Air has smoke. Also, air has water vapor in it. Today we are going to learn some more interesting things about air. We learned that air has smoke in it. What is this smoke? Smoke in Marathi we call it dhoor. But students, have you ever thought from where does this smoke come into the air? Yes, the smoke that is present in the air comes from various things that are present in our surroundings. So the smoke, that is the dhoor, it comes from the wood and the coal. So wood, firewood, when we burn the fire, the black gas that comes out from that fire, it is the smoke. So also when coal is burnt. Now what is this coal? Coal means kolsa. So when this coal is burnt, black fumes, black gas comes out from the burning coal, and this is the smoke, that is the dhoor. So this smoke is not good for health. This smoke is not good for living things. It is harmful to the living things. It can cause various health issues for the human beings. And the smoke is also generated from various vehicles. The cars, the buses, the trucks, all the vehicles that run on the roads, black fumes come out from these gases. Black gas comes out from these vehicles. You might have observed when the vehicles are moving on the road, black gas comes out from a pipe which is fixed at the back side of the vehicles. Yes, this is the smoke. This black gas is having various dirty particles. We can see, or it is having various dirty gases which are injurious, which are harmful to the human beings. If human being breathes such air which is having such smoke, unhealthy gases into it, the human being is surely going to be ill. It is very injurious and it is very dangerous for the human health. Okay, and because of the mixing of this smoke into the air becomes impure or unhealthy. Impurities get mixed up because of this black gas, that is the smoke. Okay, so this was about the smoke. Now let us see what is or what type of air is good for human beings. The air which is having smoke or various bad gases in it is not healthy for the human beings. But what type of air is healthy for the human beings? The air which is fresh and which is pure. The air which does not have any gases, injurious gases into it is good for breathing for the human beings. The air that we breathe should be fresh. So how can we make this air fresh? There are various ways by which this air is getting polluted, getting impure. But there are some other ways. If we follow these ways, we can make the air pure. We can make this air healthy for the breathing purpose of human beings. So what are these things? The first is plants make the air clean. So the trees and the plants that are found in our surrounding, they are playing a very great role in making the air fresh and pure. And so it is very necessary that we plant more and more trees in our surrounding. We can plant these small plants or trees in our gardens or in the open spaces. Okay, so it is very necessary that we plant more trees. The second is keep your doors and windows open. The first thing is you have to build a house in which you have a good ventilation. Ventilation means proper fresh air and sunlight should come into the house. That is called as good ventilation. So if you want fresh air and sunlight to get into your house, you have to keep the doors and the windows of your house open. Only then can the fresh air come in and it can give you the benefits. So the fresh air is having many health benefits. So also does the sunlight. So it is very necessary that if you want to be healthy, you have to build a house or you have to get a house where you get fresh air and sunlight, and always keep the doors and the windows open so that the fresh air comes into the house and you don't get the bad air or you don't get the impure air. The next is play in open areas. This is for the children, we can say, or for elders we can say. You have to be in contact with the nature. You have to spend some time in open areas. Open areas in the sense like gardens, open playgrounds. Yes, these areas, they are having many trees, and when you are surrounded with many trees, you get fresh air, you get a good quantity of oxygen, because plants, what do? The plants, when they are preparing their food, they give out oxygen, and this oxygen is very essential for human beings. So when you are in the open nature, when you are with Mother Earth, when you are with Mother Nature, what happens? You get a good quantity of oxygen, you get fresh air, and you feel very happy. You feel relieved from all the stress that you have. So also one more thing that we need to do is do not cover the face when asleep. So when you are sleeping at night, take care that you don't cover your face. Many of you might be having the habit of covering yourself entirely. You take the blanket all over your head. It is not a good habit. It is very necessary that you keep your face open when you are sleeping. So students, this was the lesson about air around us. So what did we learn in this? We learned about the various gases that are present in it. We learned about the smoke, the water vapor, then the dust particles that are included in the air. We did see from where do these dust particles or the smoke get included into the air. We also saw that fresh air is very essential for human beings as well as for all the living things on this earth. And so we need to take few steps, or we need to follow few rules, so that we are in contact, we come in contact, or we always get fresh air for us. So students, here you can see a good ventilated house, a house which is having many trees around it. So fresh air keeps moving into this house. Also you can see here the sun. So this house also gets a good quantity of sunlight. Also you have to keep the doors and windows open so that the fresh air gets into the house. And you have to play in the open grounds, the areas which are open, so that you come in contact with fresh air and feel relieved and happy. Also, do not cover your face when you are sleeping. You have to sleep in such a way. You can cover your body, but you have to keep your face open so that the fresh air moves around you.